Most obnoxious modification. Day one.
There's no way.
Stoked?
Oh yeah.
This is gonna be clean. Clamps check. Alright, here's the best part. There's not one, but two.
Oh yeah, no missing cutouts, baby.
Two cannons.
Not very satisfying.
A beginner unboxer.
Yeah.
Sheesh.
Oh yeah, clean.
Holy, that does not weigh anything. Titanium.
Did they make these for the Raptor? Christmas in February.
Oh, it's just beginning. It's Christmas every day in my world, so it's gonna get passed along. That's the neighbor hater right there. The big question is, Justin, are we putting it on today or wait? I didn't think you'd be down, honestly.
Why?
Oh, he's down? Are you down?
I don't care. Let's do it.
But oh, here, let's do this really quick. Let's just get a good, nice little look. Tomei's facing down. If yours won't slide on, you need to look at where the two connect, and I had to take a piece of metal and just kind of tap it out so it would slide on here. Oh, this is gonna sound so good. Does that look like a freaking unit?
Yeah, that's a unit right there.
So we're gonna put the clamps on, put it together. Then I have a tool like this, little hook, super nice. I'll leave some linked in the description. It makes life easy. Then we're gonna put our springs on. Can be kind of hairy, but I've done it enough. It's smooth. I think we have some on the bottom, but we can get back to that. Oh, sorry fam. Personally, I've never seen this. So if you could see that, it says up. Since we have the exhaust upside down, I just need to flip it upside down, and then that's the orientation, so that we can set it up on the table. The factory has this like donut style gasket to seal it off. Doesn't seem like it would, but it'll come out. So then it'll pop off, because the gasket that came with the Tomei setup is flat, and so I want to make sure this is flat. I know some aftermarket systems use this, but this one doesn't, so this is ready to go. Now we can mount up the whole system. I'm almost dialed. MOT. Such a good looking setup. Oh my goodness, dude, the blue. Sheesh. Should I start it or should you start it?
That's a good question. I don't know.
I'll start it.
Okay.
Sorry, Dan. Ready?
Yep. Yeah.
That thug life. The single exit was way louder on Ben's.
Yeah.
This is
good.
Yeah, listen. Hear that Tomei spring thing? 17 miles, baby, 17 miles. Holy, these are so bright.
Yeah, that's the upgrade.
These are the YouTube lights that there are. Nothing like a Tomei maiden voyage. You're like, oh, it'll probably be a week or two at least.
Yeah.
Nah, 17 miles.
Oh!
Do you feel at home?
I do.
I hate to say it, it doesn't matter even if we get GT3 RSs or GT2 RSs, we'll probably think back this day with the most fun.
Yeah.
The most hype.
I feel that.
Sounds clean. These things feel very mechanical for a new car. I love it. I love it.